So, andiyabona nanti ngase siqalise ukurekhoda lapha. Kumele ngibonge kakhulu.
Okay, all right.
Uyabona okay,
all right. You are right.
Manje siqalise ukurekhoda lapha, mekhulume like wehlisa ibhonga lapho njani.
Okay.
Yabo.
Right.
Because yabona mawusubhonga kakhulu. Amankazana sefuna wena.
Oh.
Amankazana
not mele fune wena.
Amankazana mele afune mina because podcast ni yami. Mele afune mina lo Kbrizzy. It's mina, Kbrizzy, and then maybe wena. Yabo, but you know mawusubhonga lapha.
Mana nzama ukukhweza mbiza. So akuyala.
Uthi Ngokhuluma uthi
So uthi ngikhulume so.
Ngokhuluma njalo.
Alright.
Ngokhuluma njalo la nestic siyakubiza podcast. Sweet. Ladies and gentlemen.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Boys and girls.
Welcome to the greatest podcast on the planet.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yolana eti po.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away. You can call me any day. You can call me we play. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting.
Lokena ku transitional ukuthi amadoda vela afani. Yikuthola umuntu ebox Hennessy. But yese lamaphenti angu2. Amajida vela njalo.
Tomeleleke li reduce mbijani groove one weekend ukuthenga ama-under.
Ukuthenga ama-under la. Wesilabana abakuma streets sesikwazi sonke ukuthi leli rate.
Wabathanda ukudropa.
Para ama-colors amaphenti njengendoda ugqoka iphenti eli-yellow.
Vele ungabona
Level ngene money team. Utheni red.
Eli-red.
Hayi but hayi vela ama-colors anje yi-black le-grey le-white.
Yeah.
I-white ngoba. Nomanga.
I-white game change. Ihlali yevesa liliche li-white.
I-white yagogosa mthana.
I-white utshelo lwana states ngathi namhla ngiyabuya namhla siyelink iko chako
i-white
li-white.
fana it's occasional.
It's occasional.
Yeah,
Okay,
it's
ngomthelo
just
lwana
white.
ose UK le 3 years lithembisana efonini.
Yeah, because ungaligqoka every week.
Touchdown ukulikhangela.
Selingabhayiza libe lokuyi-green
Yeah,
yana.
Uyala
yeah.
Was okay. Chiki yaphela lapha endlini.
Uyazame
Ungalithi jiki libe yisafe ndoda.
uneseli-yellow mbijana.
Ijiki ikusubula.
You.
Bajala zilambulala madoda.
Ubona nuwedwa.
Nihlakaniphe ngiyi-white.
Alikho nama special occasions.
Ukuthi iphente eli-white vele for special occasions.
Maye mina ngithanda ukudropa. But I think gain weight. I-weight yami ngani weight distribution yamifani. Ngaluqala ngezi30 sokulandelani. Ibhatonga.
So also you crack dealer vele.
Check. Ngamphume emoteni. Ubabami wathi crazy bro check baza ku repa. Last time ngadropa khona check.
Wathatha upin.
Ngadlatha it's chill.
Yeah, so ngomakanika ndoda. Abantu abakhipha ama crack kakhulu ngomakanika.
But yazi
Amna so crack dealer. But ngana ukudropa so nganhlambe ngisho ukuthi obviously box ami ihlala clean. Yabo.
Okay.
Apari mine face yokudropa yangiskipha.
Phela konje leyo uya khwenye ngebhombo mthana ungaphuma.
You're not making rich. Thina sasidropa. Short yesikolo.
Into kangikhona kufuna ngathi
unganule build wathi.
I'm not think okunye.
Urafu yakhanya futhi wedropa lo.
Ayakhanya
Manje
Guys, I don't drop.
Ivinda
semdala.
kare lokudropa.
Abantu lokho bedropa vele.
Maybe unintentionally.
Yeah, but I don't drop.
But you thola vele.
Akulo ngimkenge sawubona kumurumba ndoda. Ekelani ukudropa guys.
Ngabe
Mina-
Besikale kahle manini.
Nengicela ngubone lonke.
Kulele kuze nini?
Hayi, asikhulile
Bengixoxa labantu ade ngixoxa la bemini sikhuluma nje ngento le yokuproposa. Lizibone ngani liza propose la ukhona uzibone ngani uza propose kuqe phansi sibila yathini.
Ukhona so proposal.
Yeah, ukhona so propose. Maybe ukhona so
I proposed, dog.
You see?
like what?
Niggas don't know I proposed.
So like one year, what will you marry me?
Yeah, dog. I've like clips,
Let's
dog.
get around. I
Crazy,
feel like
bro.
something love.
Put the thing, yeah? I'm a proper guy.
Yeah, so I conversation yangoni ibibuye kuthini angayala ke.
Mina I think lawe cheki yakubona ama video la nomuntu yabe propose emall uchera khona emchaya empama ehambe.
Wabaleke.
Lawana manje kuthela amajida lawana I think ingcebo banje ufavor suzama overcompensate ngokuzama ukuthi no I want to show a level of commitment because I think cheki umuntu nxa ujola laye la uyabona ukuthi laba mina lo muntu angisesachata la.
Yeah.
I proposal is never really like out of the blue like that.
It's a confirmation very of what's already.
Mina I feel like anja uzathi namajida vela amandebele tha propose bonke.
Akulinganise lapha.
Akulinganise lapha. Uyenzani ngeSaturday?
Asichathe vela December kazi
Yeah,
siqothele.
bakho yabekhona ngeSaturday. Ufuna ukuzombona.
Ngizokuthiwa kule like besixoxa kuthiwa inye member yethu yalokuze yaqala yabhadala like amalobolo lana yathi vela ibhadala yabi propose.
Bayala.
Uyaluthi.
Vele mina can I say I think you anje bona once sengilobolile I guess lokho ukupropose saying ingcese nisenzela wena. I know ukuthi this is something you would like. Abafazi.
But it's silabafazi la. Sisi
Slabo sis.
Slabo sis.
This is abafazi.
Hey sorry. Slabo sis. Fama sensithi abafazi so ngani ngabami ngiyaxolisa ninganitshaya.
Anyways, anoke nisitshele la.
Anoke lisitshele like ungafisa ukuthi baku propose endaweni public. Athi will you marry me?
Vele mina I think let the question be a two-parter. Would you want to get proposed like the romantic way? One and two.
Oh.
Two, do you feel like umuntu engakupropose you'd really be surprised like you oh la was.
Mina I don't know but I think I surprise is not ukuthi uyabongakwazi ukuthi wena le partner yakho
Really that serious.
seli ku stage lana ukuthi la belibona ukuthi no we have something here. I think the surprise ukuthi uyabongakwazi ukuthi
On what day?
uza kwenza which day yabo. I think it's just a natural thing. But
Okay.
mina the romantic part of proposals lan maybe I can pass
Yeah.
umuntu kabuye ngikhaya abuye lenkomo le mali sokushapa
Vele i-proposal yethu vele.
sihambe
No, yazini.
siyachata
Yabona lidubeka kakhulu. Ilizwelela lidubekisa abantu kakhulu ezinye izinto vela sela ndaba lazo vele.
Mina I also think amakhiwa likhumbula ukuthi awala similar culture to ours. So that's why maybe they have to make those things look grand because akusoze lobole vele uBrazil. Yabo akusoze lobole. So uBrazil uzomele yenzi a big show of it. Efaka i-ring part where efaka ama-flowers ayisigombolozi so ukuthi umoya ungaphephuli ethi pha. But thina siyakhipha inkomo my gents. We don't need to put on a show.
That's the proposal.
Yeah.
Thina siyakhipha inkomo siyabuya nabadala.
I-proposal or zinkomo? Zinkomo qala.
Angazi but njengoba lapha sesikhrosanisa ama-culture. Because thina kwethu i-culture yalobola.
Yeah.
So
In our
lokho-
culture, you don't propose.
Yeah,
Vele
lobola.
kulobola a traditional wedding.
Yeah.
What are you saying?
Vele yikho i-
No, it's the wedding. It's not even traditional. That is the wedding.
Exactly. So
So
no
kuphelile
propose
kona.
now you're playing
Yeah.
yourself.
thina sipropozela ngomalume thina.
Ulani?
kulokuvela lokulobola nto so ukuvela kwethu yi-proposal
Oh.
ukulobola umshado wakho.
Ukuvela
But since it's modern
Uvele
days, I guess you can also incorporate
Yeah, I
it.
can do it for the gram.
Yeah.
Mina I think
Yeah, you can.
mina I think
You
ngingaqala
can.
ngipropose and then ungavuma. Then sengabuya ngini ngizolobola phela.
Yeah.
Because once ngilobola check isichata phela.
Hiyo
But
la
yeah.
sequence engayishuna. But anyway, it's fine.
Mike, sound guy.
Hala Mike. Wevuleka.
Nje chapa.
Attraction nje yakho nje. Benzithi but vela you have to ask for permission from umdalan of the girl that you want to propose to. So that's the thing.
Yeah.
Vele kuningi kithi.
You can't just propose.
Exactly.
Yeah, you can't just propose and
Yeah.
umdala bengavumanga. You have to get their blessing first. So vele once in a while uchero wakho uzaba wathi you're going to propose.
But yeah.
Imagine nje
ladies
usukwazi
and
ukuthi lo le
gentlemen.
paint like eli-black alithembileyo. Sucela i-permission futhi after that.
Akafani vele sokwenza nje lokho it's just life.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
boys and girls,
welcome
to another episode of the ByoPodcast in Ncube 99.
aka
Ungabhonyi kakhulu wena. Ubani? Ungabhonyi kakhulu wena.
All right.
But wabona ukuthi abosisi babesithini kuma comments.
Ambukela ngi-podcast.
Yeah, ubukela.
Yeah, no. I saw some screenshots.
Abosisi babesithi sifuna ukubona iface.
Oh, adisamfuna uma 40.
Azona bakho loyal la. Uma 40 is 2-week break and then you people are there. 2 weeks break, come on, man. Come on.
Oh, Heartthrob 40 is out of the game. Crazy, bro.
But so, Optimus ngabuya la.
Optimus ngabuya la.
Optimus ilaleli.
Ishaya khona. Mina ngithatha mic ngidela khona esali.
I told my sisters. Oh yeah, man.
You know this one time. Yeah, man.
Ngidibokela uma 40 ngekho ngayela bali mkani.
Uma 40 ndo them ngimbali.
Adimkani ngayela ndibomqala to his face.
Uma 40 numbers.
Uma 40
Ama 40 numbers ake sengaziseva welele.
Ngobone group
welele. Ngathi bathi interview uma 40 ehlezi lapha asiqala sikombona la le. Ngalokho emhleka mina ngapha. Ama 40.
Ama 40. So episode esirecordileyo sirecorde ama results ama election engakaphuma. I'm sure abantu babesibukile besithi hey ongamafana lo Ncube.
Ncube. Do they know?
Then yesterday ama results asephuma guys ama elections. First thing that came into your mind. Ama results announced. Ngofika nekhanda.
Okay.
You want to start?
Yeah.
Okay.
To be honest, I missed the results. I got the announcement of the appointment of the time of the announcement, right? I was en route to Groove at the time.
Okay.
Yeah, I was with my cousin, so I remember telling her to speed up with at least ngazesifike smokers and ama results antole njani ngihlezi phansi.
Alright. Kutholumile.
Entole ngani lento yokubalance.
Yeah.
You know, and then they kept postponing the time and until I think ngazokuze kuseni, bro, cuz yeah, you know those sets smokers on Saturday, they're amazing, bro. Yabukungazacabangi vele izinto eziningi. You know, I was talking to each other man. So I only heard about it in the morning.
No.
That's important. Recreation, yeah.
So wafika nekhanda lakho sizama.
I was like, look, it's nothing unexpected. For many people, I won't say whether it includes myself or not. For many people, the results were unpleasant. They were expecting something different. I mean, that's why people went out and voted, right?
Yeah.
That hope, but they kind of knew. It's like when you do something wrong in Linyakwan, you kind of have that hope.
Yeah.
But you're not, you know, yeah.
Ngofika nekhanda Kbrizzy.
I was jubilant, bro. I was happy, dog, because I feel like, you know, I think the outcome, Liana, is what all of us anticipated. I'm happy, bro. We're on the right path as a country. No, Papa.
And then I woke up.
I fucking knew it. Fucking shit.
Let's get back to work.
Let's get back to work. Where you voice where you make
I don't know, dog. I don't want to say, you know, but I would like to say, I always try to take responsibility for most of what happens in my life. Yeah. So my first thought was, I'm so fucking stupid for giving myself so much hope. I didn't even pin it on anything else. Nothing. I said, I'm so fucking stupid. Why do I do this to myself every 5 years?
Yeah.
Anyway, see you in 2028. I'll be in the streets again. It's gonna break my heart again.
Yeah, fanana.
But my theory is you never know if your next play is gonna be your best play if you stop playing. So we have to treat every election as if this one is the one until the one happens, and that's it. Sometimes it is what it is.
Ngawula plan. When I get off njani.
bro. Like you said, we kind of anticipated the thing, but like who officialize it, and you're like, damn, ish. I was always like believed in making it at home, but the very moment where Ananzo Gambana I started flirting with the idea, like, maybe, like me by foreigner somewhere,
and
maybe, but then I was like,
fuck it. And if you look at the Patanyama results, how they came out, you really cannot blame urban people for having their hopes up, because all urban territories were taken by the opposition. So for weeks, everyone was in that bubble where everyone you knew was saying, this is going to be the outcome.
Yeah.
So Vele, for most urban people, Vele, we all, everywhere you went or everyone you spoke to,
I'm a voted also secret. See, I was like this.
As long as we said town, we saw the results, bro.
We
saw the results.
It's always so close, bro. I feel like if we do more, just that I want to sometimes. People get into 70. People get into trouble. People get into trouble when Zama like encouraging people to vote, especially the side where they know the people that you are encouraging are going to vote. Yeah, because makayela numbers abantu abangavotanga, makayela abantu maybe abaku diaspora think like us. We think like them. It's really a close call. We need to do more.
Most of those votes would have been.
Yeah. Exactly. We really need to do more. Change,
when I get Wafika Nekanda, Sisi. Nah, relax.
Okay, mina looking kind of phone in Kaila ama media houses Kbrizzy live.
Alright, yeah.
And 24 so ngisempethini. Ndeke ngivukele kuleke kuchawa izingoma lani. Benika ama comment yarena. Ngaze ngajumeka ngama 11. The first thing I woke up ngo1. The first thing ngavuka so ngathi nxa ngivuka ngedwa ngela muntu omvusile.
The signs were there.
The signs were there.
And then ngasembona ama status abantu ngabuye.
What's wrong?
Oh well. Ngasihlupha ngavuka ekuseni ngo5 futhi sengikhangela ngirikhangela ukuthi hey, is this true bebe mphupha hey but yo.
But aren't you guys I ruling party dume ngokuduma vele. Mina ngahle ngahlaliswa phansi emini. Like one of the members of the ruling party. Like remember mangitshele mthi kwenza.
Shela lakho.
Ahle wathi bra I think kuza kusiza ukuthi u accept khona ke ngutshela khona kathesi. Because lokho kuzama lokho kuza kulimaza. Yazi ngavukela ibhora nzima so like
uthathela abantu ithemba manje
mbukela ibhora so like
vele mnipose yathi dliwa I was like
fucking you. Le weather yenzani?
Yachinja bro.
Yeah, that was really suspicious, eh?
The gods did not approve. I'm the gods.
Ukhona seke wahambe church since ongasitshela ukuthi kukhamba njani?
Yeah, I mean I was there on Sunday. When ish. Do you know what
it gloom? Never even go to church. Buya phela. Please man, come bro.
Do you know what you going to do to pray for the nation?
Yo, yeah. No, ufundiswa la vele imbuleli anxiety yemnikelo. Ukuthi currency yaba yini?
Kulento to pray for the nation. Do you know umama lo nochali ulithi pray for the nation nochali kuba vibrant like that.
Wayesomba nje.
That day sasebenza church kuphela.
Ya khona kuyimuthi kwangibona. I remember.
Wasahlabela worship. Kwenza ukuthi ufundisa bezohlaba izingoma.
Ngokufaka abantu emoyeni.
Azama ukuthi azu. Mina ama results athi announce lapha. I was like, ngakhumbula episode 8. I'm like, gosh. Episode yana kube si uploading akaphumi manje. Because ngene somele si upload episode le si recorde.
Chay post.
Ama result like sikhuluma ama wishes zethu ukuthi sifisane like sifodeleni. My results la nathi announce I was like, oh shit. Like sesiqhubeka khona
Dream on, motherfuckers.
Yeah, like sesiqhubeka khona oku. Ngoba bahlungu and kulabantu labana directly awona ama results esanda kuphuma.
Yeah.
Besithi salitshela
It's not the time for that.
anso engikhuluma inhlambi bosakhuluma inhlambi enganani but bengiblocker abanye ngabathethisa abanye nga-ignore
Alama ngabathethisa abantu.
Yeah.
abanye ngabasaba abanye babengicela ama-favor then sebethabile
Oh yeah,
so I was
ngabona
like
lokho,
guys
yeah.
no more favors you're not pissing on my cooler box anymore
yabona
Lokhena ufana ukuthi
Salty, bro.
sithi siqume egangeni into machida samanje inkunzi la. Sesihamba inkunzi. Ngilitshelile. Akuseke my dog.
sesibanjiwe
Sibanjiwe uncedani.
Yeah.
Yo, why you
Yeah.
trying to be a smart ass now? Say, ngilitshelile.
Yeah.
ndabotshele ngambathembisa amanuda
Yeah, mna lama bakhona abanye akhwatshana labo sibi. Ababebonani mbe bazathola iding dong galova. It's a joke. It's a joke. Me, I got jokes.
Yeah.
But that was not the time for people to be, you know.
Yeah.
Abantu checking ngase bedatshukelwe check. Ngamtshela mina umgcini ukuthi 80 zamqede. Kusemfeni ngamgcini.
yeah it's
true,
easy,
any
though.
timing.
Too soon
The timing, shut the fuck up.
read the room
We're grieving here.
But
you must
however,
learn to shut the fuck up
however,
sometimes yeah
there are people that I feel do that for the benefit of public knowledge. Like I'm not sure if you guys follow AC Lumumba on Twitter. He gave us, remember when before elections happened and even when elections were happening, he was giving people like a step-by-step account, which is and this guy has never been this relevant as he's been this week in the past 5 years, you know. So I feel like if you're doing it not in the tone of, yo, I told you so, but you just want to tell people to look, if you're not as politically astute as some of us, and let me tell you, so that you are not.
I think la umuntu engahlala la ngi-Saturday before announcement
Why is it's not like just to like to shove it in your face, like you guys.
But then I feel like at some point why saying say sefunjwa la masimba because wayentshele sithi uyakwazi ukuthi nisupportani akusi secret imfihlo ukuthi nisupport izanu mina uyakwazi ukuthi nisupport izanu
Wozuqhwatha phakathi.
But you know something funny though, something that's really really hilarious. I've been laughing at it for the past 2 days. We had the SADC guys obviously saying that we don't know what is happening here. Everyone's sharing the same sentiments, right?
Like
I'm observers, right? These guys went on with our plans away inauguration.
but vele kule invitation inauguration yalika before the election
Yeah.
so those
Hayi bayibuza labo Photoshop ningafana liyabulala. Liyabulala.
but
So
kulama results asekhilita before announcer
lana nga 2018 lawana.
no but announce ama results wena la
results alikhaya ndoda
Exactly like
waphuma
that.
results alikhaya nje exactly
wena
to the
wena
dot
la wena
You.
to the T nyawutshela aphuma ngeSaturday
Metadata document yakho document eshaya ngo
By that cause something account on Twitter. I think they're the guys that released it.
So,
yeah.
aphuma nje
ngizokhuluma nge-report ye-SADC just to
reiterate.
yeah ikhona kokuncane i-summary of izinto abazibambayo ngama-elections.
Yeah.
ZEC failed to release the voters roll on time for candidates to audit. First mistake, was. The fee charged for the voters roll was restrictive to candidates. You know, it is Malzangonan.
What 10 scories?
Yeah, 20 scories. 20 scories.
that's crazy
CCC rallies were disrupted by the police, thereby denying the citizens their right to freedom of assembly. So, in opposition, we see my sense, according to SADC.
According to SADC.
Yeah.
SADC observer mission.
Yeah.
What Mthomba remember Mumba?
Yeah. Dr. Nevers.
Yeah. The patriotic bill is unconstitutional as it attacks the freedom of speech. Sake sakhuluma ngayi patriotic bill lapha ye esenza singa khuluma politics kakhulu
This is a stool.
Hi but asithulena asithiyeni lokho yabo Kasukuwere's disqualification was unconstitutional but dismissed by the court. The nomination fees was restrictive from 1,000 US dollars to 20,000 US dollars. Access to public media was restrictive to the opposition, meaning we were sexually guti ba post
I saw an interview.
post into zabo ku ByoPodcast and other platforms
and other public platforms that are on the pulse of what is happening in the country. Ngabona lokho zenine interview yaku Nelly. The city and I hasn't been on national television in 8 years.
Shit.
What in the 8 years on ZBC? His words. I was like, damn.
But shout out to his site.
Oh yeah.
For coverage.
Shout out to Zenzi.
Yeah, my elections. I feel like information ending mina bengithola via
Brother side.
and okunye bese kubona
Twitter
kuma state.
ngayisimira masimba. Ngathi le information at breakneck speed, bro.
Yeah.
Like where else can you get updates as quickly as Twitter?
Nah, khona.
Anyway,
But so
TikTok.
le TikTok la futhi
Mbona
besukile.
isikhathi sokwenza video.
Bro, I see you Kbrizzy bemchaya mpama ngiyahle ngitweet ngithi but i-TikTok so mina ngiqale ngifake i-makeup le ring light.
Bakwenza kulama content creators we TikTok guys.
Really?
Ngiyatshela kulabantu ade bekhava into zama elections ku TikTok.
Yeah,
In
well,
real time.
Okay,
You guys know that site has got a TikTok account though.
Mini
Site.
time la mini.
Was it in real time?
Yeah, in real time they've got they've got several active Twitter accounts.
Mini time my TikTok.
Eh?
Time my TikTok.
That's
Hey, ukuthi ama video angafihli ukuthi file private uthi post. Abebona nguye. Yabembuza ukuthi kanti babonile. Ababonile mthana.
mosquito.
So yeah, I'm ngayintshela sithi like TikTok. Content is there my election. So ibikhona yonke indawo.
Yeah.
Now futhi ukhuluma ukuthi site ikhona ku TikTok.
I thought it was. Mina vele ukuthi angikho ku TikTok.
Yeah, I'm not.
So what next guys?
Bro, let's just do a podcast, man.
Like so kwenzakile like chithekile what next?
What's next is Mgcini get back to work.
Yeah.
Get back to work.
Get back to work.
Podcast.
Get back to
Ngoba
work.
vele even if singathi what authority do we have? What means do we have to singavumelana sonke? Sesibamba ama mic stand la. Sesikhamba siyanga.
Yeah.
Siyakwenzani?
Yeah.
No, but I feel like we must try and create an environment where conversations like this aren't just necessary every 5 years.
Yeah.
Which is true.
The same way we're talking about this now, if we're to link up again in a year or 2 years or 3 years, and we're talking as normal citizens with freedom of expression and speech in a country. It must be very, very odd that Skulma, guarding our words. You know, and we do it as little as we possibly can. We only discuss things like this when we have to.
Yeah.
You know, so
But liyakwazi kodwa ukuthi ngokurekhoda zonke laba vele siyazinikela ukuthi
yeah. This one, if you go stop nonsense,
hey. Babuya baciche laba bathatha amafoni wonke la.
Yeah.
Ngifuna ukudlala njalo kuyafa umuntu ngezihlalela.
Kanti silabo bantu abekhaya.
Ngezihlalela la. Bafika bethi mbani otsho njalo bona zonke zikhombeleke.
Hawu ungaka futhi.
Umambe apricot dropayo yena nalo dropayo.
Uthi angirambi.
Angirambanga kanti konke ngirambile mani kanti. So like actually an interesting thread on Instagram ku page le it was Zim Queen not sorry. Caption yankhona was saying the unemployment rate in our country, in that country, which is Zimbabwe, that country, is more than 95%, and most people from our generation have never worked. Thus, we opt to move out of the country. But begulabantu bekhuluma like his stories zabo zokuthi impilo inzima outside of them. Like it's not all rosy. Of course, kushapho kungcono kule Zimbabwe because we are low is an income. Like
Job security.
Job security,
Opportunities.
yeah,
And hope over and above all.
yeah. Easy P, like you have my problems. Elboning and a face on about. Eswa face out in Njengama diaspora. Pants.
Tina van Zulu fashion house. Fine.
I think most of all the problem about your economic like sense of belonging, yabo.
Yeah.
Like fanana imagine umuntu ongaso eZimbabwe isikhathi sonke lesonke sihlangisa ama elections la.
Yeah.
Umuntu ndiye feel njani because
Umkanje ama election lona bengawufiki.
Siyazifana uthini.
guys
South
So like foreign land, like into bona ezibachaza. Of course, la uyabuzama, but I feel like you be trying to fit in. Ebuzizi ukuthi hayi.
But ubunandi bama election lo bena bebungekho
Lebenikolisa kathi lina.
Nah, like, the way like it ade ku topical ngayo, like everyone mana mina ngirethi ngiyevote.
Ubukwanisa ku slide like mounted.
Like you're free to even have an opinion, all those things.
Ama moments anjalo, those are the perfect times to slide into DMs that way saba. Mina ama DM engangenileyo like after uku announce ama election phongo ukuthi
yeah, ne?
No
way. We responded to our stickers. They were like, so what are you doing tomorrow? Like, like
keeping stress.
Hey, stress. Lakanye futhi says keeping stress. Kati linarity why mpuze ku podcast nam.
Nambono selifikile ngathi
Yeah,
but so yeah, imagine ngongekho ngina kusenza into. You don't even have the right to vote maybe sometimes. No, really permanent.
It's
all those things. You always feel like there's something going on at home that you're missing out on.
Elections ungcono webhoso ndoda. Cabanga ibhoso isenza konke lokho wena ubukela iSheffield Wednesday. Ubona Mgcini every Sunday babona
bana. Lise. BF.
I think vele into we crave kuyom because kule member yathi ehamba bangomude isiyabonela iartist lethu lapha lapha kobalali siya perform yet to go across to another city.
Yeah, ubona umuntu okhuluma
isindebele.
Yeah.
However,
yeah,
I feel that this is beyond like politics. Like in any situation whereby you find displaced citizens in a country, they always miss home. Like an example that I'll give you guys, we were all together at Garden of House. We're all together at Murumba Pitch. Over the past week, I've been promoting the Amapiano Festival. Yeah. Most DMs, a lot of DMs that I get, bro, is people that are outside the country. Hey. They're on that table with the bro, like, why do you do these things? Are you doing this in December? So like, it's like more than anything, bro, like as successful as people are, as flourishing as they may be, outside the country, they still miss home more than anything.
Yeah. So come and vote. I'm
sorry, come and vote. Yeah, but all right, hard. No. Sorry.
Yeah, I think I lose the train of thought.
Informal, especially Mnalani Nafana in the past couple of weeks, you've had a spectacular run, boys.
Right, yeah.
And I'm pretty sure you're at for me, Paul. So to my event at the corner.
Yeah.
I've got thing here, Kodami. Spicy, yo.
Yeah.
But those are things that we cannot even quantify.
Yeah.
When it comes to what a disservice, how big a disservice has been done to people by people being forced to leave the country.
I feel like any pressure ever corner. Prisoner ma uthola ochopunithi. Yokuthi izuphumile like ezim. Thina njengama family members zakho sesithaba. Like sesithabile. uBrizzy sese UK.
So ngcono.
Vele nje ngithi world remedy ngiyabe ngimelele minimali yabo.
You can download the app lang khona. Ngilalo kare se phone yami but the moment usithi shui.
Vele nje sesihlala siready ukuthi uBrizzy uzathumela imali. Of which impilo ayikho ifike ilunge one day.
That's true.
Impilo ayikho ifike ilunge one day.
Asikezulwini ngale.
So ungayilahla vele.
Asikezulwini kusemhlabeni ngale boss.
And asikho ukuthi uhlupho ufika nje one time.
Hong.
Oh,
you want 200 quid, dog? I have a sec. It's true, dog. Mina check you go and see kulokunye sesingakuquantify. Uyakwazi bro, mina even have a theory ukuthi even into zamavuzo. Remember talk about the pandemic yamavuzo and underage drinking and underage drug abuse. Yeah. I think if you map it out, you can tell ukuthi what happened was between like 2006 to 2010, a lot of parents left the country. They became a lot of kids who were home alone. Abazali bethumeza izimali. Yikho kwavukela khona ama base. Wazi ngena base ngo2010.
Dog. Even lami ngo2010 ngale base bro.
Come on dog.
Ngihlala ngiyembele base yazi.
Nalabo khetho buri bonke nje bahlala etafari
ngiyabenhlala ngikwazi abantu abale base.
But konkyana ukuthi it was na ngize ngihlale eNamibia. None of my friends had that kind of setup ukuthi wakuthiwa owasi ngobani abazali bakhe bakho umuntu lo yabetshela indle ematsha amhlophe nje ehlala umalume akhe vele umunye uthi ngamniki ihotel wana kasale hluphi
Sokuyiswile vele ngena lize.
Vele lo manje ubebele
njalo
ukwenza.
Wani? DJ Ashton.
Ashton
vele into zokuyigoneza manje ukuthi Ashton manje wena enye imicimbi engathambanga ngo2010.
Yeah,
so
Ashton
ngihamba
wenge.
igumba file likonza uload at least 18 abantwana. Yikho umngane wami no Ashton. So wayesafunda spaces imbizi ithi mdala.
Ziyakhala
12
lapha.
o'clock esithi olubuye.
Ungayisithi mdala.
Ashton
Sesikhala.
Sengwasti say no more. Kodwa abantwana kwengisihambe uyabethole eminye umuntu lebhesi it was mostly Burnside, Hillside, this time. Kadeso Ashton ngiyise child garden of house. Talent dog.
Yeah. Kulama stories I think ade khona ku page le Instagram of just people sharing ama difficulties abadlangana lawo. I think ngwathumeli le group indaba lokhuzini na asibalela. My sister laba.
The diaspora.
Yes, when I saw this one, let me post a call. Anyway, so I was raped and no one knows because I live in a Muslim state and there is already a stigma around African girls apparently having loose morals. So I don't speak Russian well, so I couldn't talk to a therapist, and my friends and boyfriend also don't know. Sometimes I think it's my fault I don't get help because even when I was abused as a kid by our helper at home, I never said anything. With all that pressure from my degree and pressure to be a perfect daughter at home, guilt from a previous abortion, body dysmorphia, dysmorphia, okay, and self-hate, I am barely holding it together. Lol, I feel even silly for saying this.
Like if it like I'm afford
Yeah, it's tough, dog.
Yeah, good.
It's tough, dog.
I would take off some over serious.
It's crazy, dog.
Sorry, guys. Sorry.
Rough, but I say some over serious. But ma.
All right.
Ala ndizikuma abantu abalaleliyo baza understand ukuthi into le iphongo
hayi video yakho ikhona wona video yakho lenyira
fanana lokuthi umuntu no yazini fanana lokuthi lalela fa lokuthi umuntu ekhuluma into serious oyiwana suze asokezekela ukuhleka phela but into ekhona ukuthi asihleki
into esira
like no para asihleki
emajideni maybe
para asihleki situation ekhona lapha Kbrizzy yabo like into le tough bra cabanga ukuthi i-country vela kiyo i-tough okunganani ukuthi abantu bahlala under ama conditions anjalo.
Ish. Cabanga abantu abahlala eHillbrow laseLokuzenini. You've been there, dog. You've seen how some people there.
Nje kule flat le lethwa lichisa abantu.
Enzile bro.
But iflat lichisa abantu. Kathi kuyini?
Lichisa abantu nje iflat
lichile abantu bephakathi.
Iflat le lichisa abantu vele abandoned fan.
But ngizotha most of my inhabitants be abantu beMalawi. But I'm telling you, bro, people are living in deplorable conditions. And then it makes you wonder, who would put up trash conditions, crazy working hours for minimum pay, and once you're outside the country, you're now supporting 2 households because you have to take care of yourself there and try to send something back home. And then on top of that, xenophobia. If people are willing to endure that, dog, you must ask yourself, how bad is it back home?
Yeah, when you futan, I think mele sibele episode ukuthi abantu abahlala kuma countries ona lawo lo munye scheme wangisuggestel into enjalo ukuthi dinga abantu maybe umuntu ohlala ePoland, umuntu ohlala eGermany, America, South Africa,
uponchila ama country afana fast.
Yo benengwazi. Oh, like just to use a reality because I think okunye abantu zile ngqondo lana ukuthi once waphuma bro
you're in a better land, you must
everything is okay now.
Yeah, ukuthi lani problem enabanye they patrolling now. Ngabantu labana bengaba like 100% honest. One day ukuthi nje sotha ayisikho lina ama Russian elenza APC.
Oh, but it's true, yeah.
Ngoba ayisikho amakula esithili lingasebenzisi ligezi lokuzini. So it's one of those
la city lathi discover abantu benese idibenzana.
Yeah.
njengabane S8 bahlala bekhetha ama-strays.
But
indlela
so
yethu
that's
sonke
why
ine-S8.
yikho abantu begcina bengasekho comfortable because ulokhu uzenini umngani wethu ebepostile eceleni kwaDrake then kusasa sevuka selithi but guys kuyilahla la. So I
kunzima
think-
ukuthi siku-understand uma kunjani.
yeah.
But again angeze akubekela ukuphila impilo yakho ndoda just because
kunzima,
wesaba
yeah.
abantu.
Plus abantu balomhawto.
Akunye umhobhulo vele.
Yeah, genuinely.
Yizo so story esikhona lapha.
So lishare in his door. Ish, this one is touching, man.
Yeah.
Ish.
Out of nowhere, one girl from my school made an entire group chat with her friends just to bash me and call me names. They made fun of my forehead.
I-mic ngathi sibe problem la. Cela nimnike nyina i-mic ngani. I very fucked up. Ngani i-mic esebenzayo sithi lo. Ngombe sehlala phansi. Uma le order. Ubala lapha sicose ubalele Ralph lapha I think yakhe i-mic isebenza ngcono.
All right, let her finish.
Yeah, lokho kuhlezi.
A what?
Okay, they made fun of my forehead, and my dad, who passed away, wanted my address, called me a racial slur or slur.
Racial slur. Oh.
Racial slur, nigger, yeah. And
What?
and said they'd stop attacking me if I apologized. For what exactly? Question mark. I still have no idea. Living abroad, most of my life has you stuck. Most of your life has you stuck. It's like you are no longer belong in Zim, but you don't belong abroad either. So a lot of Zimbabweans don't let us fit in because they think we get fed grapes by the poolside, have 12 maids and 3 mansions when all we want to do is make a living and to support our families. But most of us honestly wouldn't be here if Zim was thriving.
Do you know when this I didn't even think this was like on national grounds.
Yeah.
I really thought maybe it was just like people being mean to each other.
They
But
like-
I hear what you're
It
saying.
started
Yeah.
offing and try like it's those like primary or even high school bullying, like your typical bullying, but then it goes
Mara
into
madoda kunzima.
shame I go tricky.
Kubi.
I mean, I think, also, I guess what we can say is, I'm assuming we also got these messages under this. Bebe sendela thina nti?
Like bekuposte
Oh,
ku-page
bengabuyiki
le.
la.
Yeah,
bekuposte
we-
ku-page le. Hayi
Thina
akube-
bethu lathi sendela nini?
I feel like kube bekubuya kithi ama-reaction ethu amanye like besiyabuya si-prepared ama-messages la
Singa-understand
akula
ukuthi-
muntu okakade prepared
Kade
for
singakwazi
one. Like
ukuthi-
besingakwazi ukuthi
And it's more ukuthi mina nithe mbala like the first pictures were usually into that is funny like umuntu maybe who got their heart broken.
But this is a Zim page.
yeah, this is Zimbabwe.
Someone who got their heart broken, into ezinjalo like ukuthi wathola they cheated on her, something like. So I just thought it's one of those.
Yeah.
But then the other, like it's like that open for surprise type thing.
Akunye lokhu fucked up lokho.
Yeah.
I mean, I'm sure, I'm not trying to downplay anyone's difficulties. Kulokunye ukuthi it's just really the difficulties of life that you would encounter anyway.
Exactly.
Phela into ezinjengomhobholo whether use-Harare kumbe use-Sydney, you'd experience that. But leaning towards problems that these people are highlighting, ukuthi it's compounded by the fact that I'm away from home and I'm treated differently because I'm different.
Yeah, one of this is a girl child. Yabo, I
Yeah,
feel like
yeah.
ama stories
Wonke
la,
abakhomenda,
yeah, bongosisi kuphela.
Yeah, yabo.
Bro.
So when you go khona ke beyilokhana ukuthi, I don't want to say like once again I'm not downplaying what they're going through, but vele there was going to be no guarantee ukuthi people were not going to be mean to you even if you are. it can still happen. But I understand the angle. It's compounded by the fact that it's happening far from home, and abantu. And abantu bakhona actually making it a racial. There's that divide. Like this one is saying she got called racial slurs. You cannot well,
okunye smoko ukuthi even such victimization sometimes I remember this other guy who say Australia like wayentshela ukuthi like these kids were trying to swing at him at a club because babefuna umuntu ahamba la, and then in the back of his mind is telling himself ukuthi if I club this light is ivisa yami enjani. So it's one of those things ukuthi yes, people are going to be mean to you anyway. But inga kulapha ezulu sikushaya impama dog.
Bethunye.
Befuna bajike class man.
But inga usesini wamjaya uqoshwa then inga usuphenduka ngapha udeportiwe. You know how people
yeah.
So
but
sometimes you have to
go
through such nonsense.
So ngakhanya ngathi ama problems awanda angu-understand or yinto emphonguyiletha lami nginje ngike ngaphuma eZimbabwe. Of course bengingekho khatshana bengiseduzane, but kuyafika ku point ukuthi izinto mase zingani sezi too much, like so kuya kuningi kuqhakathekile ukuthi ube endlini whether we are 1 week or we are 2 weeks. I problem futhi ukuthi kuyi expense ukubuya yabo. So abanye abantu bacina sebe forced ukuthi bahlale noma ama conditions ebhedo kunganani. But I feel like nxa sokufike kuma point of istory lezi sezikhulunywa lapha bro, ungaqhubeka like uhlala uyi1 yikho lapho sokukhwela khona ama rates we suicide,
ama depression
vele yabuya kuchaya vele.
I guess, do you know what you know, one of the things is actually vele this proves the point ukuthi leaving the country is not for the weak. Being far from your motherland kufuna umuntu ole strength of the Black Panther. We however suffer from a situation where people are just forced, everyone is forced to go now. La uvela uzitefela ngino uvela ucomplain nxa uhambe ukuvakatsha umamdala so uvuka ufuna ke UK. Ambubone dog. Of course I situation yakufocus but it's not going to be easy. Kudala ngohamba lezeni izithembile ubamdala labantu so they 40 engachatanga lezi zihamba. Zingiranda. Yenzele ngamaginza. Kathi esicheki so kumele uhambe anyone because you know, because if things were different, half of the not even half, 90% of the people who left wouldn't have left. Kuleki 10% even is a.
That's what she said. You that came out wrong. But that's what this person is saying. Ukuthi
kube.
Yeah, ukuthi kube vele ngayilizwe lishap. La khona khana ama expectations and la ukwakhuluma la eli ukuthi as soon as vele ungena ku e-link lana ka 12 abantu sebebone ngani lapho siyakhona yonke into vele nganto le bank account esikumele legcila imali kuphela phakathi imali kuyasomela noSithumelo yeah
Tumezi puffer jacket phela check offer
Tumezi North Face Gucci North Face X Gucci la
kanti offer North Face Gucci kathi
North Face Gucci is very rare and expensive because North Face alone ingakhola balanga lolutho is like $500 for a jacket. So as a collaborator high-end fashion brand, the price like is tripled.
So but now Cohost strategy means a lot of people are rich.
Yeah.
Why are we assuming that I'm fake?
Oh, they didn't go on North Face Gucci and not into a Gucci. Kogema karate.
Maybe la boosting awala kahle.
Kana ngoba ukuthi lezi printise kwa winyana.
Galaxy.
Essentials.
Galaxy boy. Nah, Galaxy.
Le essentials.
Galaxy boy cheapile guys. Let me give you game abantu ababukephoke. Akula into cheap ukuthi Galaxy boy. Ngena ku website Galaxy boy. Buy yourself Galaxy boy. Like lami ngathi ngena compare surprise.
Sitshela ama website.
Thina esavote uZumba Maramba.
Like iskipa se Galaxy
khona.
Mfungo dog. Why are there a million niggas there?
Crips in Mfungo dog.
Crip in Mfungo.
But Ncube was the ganking one. Did you guys see the ganking tweet?
Like,
there was another own. Is it why do you need to gank votes?
People don't like you.
People don't like you, dog.
Just go.
Just go.
And then his follow-up tweet is like, who the fuck cribs in Mfungo dog?
And why are they million niggas?
Ikhothi ehle ungabona sokuphambanisa ama skr lama on lama dog.
Mina e-polling station yami kulomnye uchomo ephambi kweline uyagqoka iGucci head to toe. Ngahle ngamemezele ngathi sonke siyakwazi uvotela. Abadala bathi ayakhanya. Gucci head to toe.
Obvious.
Uvotele sikuvotela yona.
Ya ngeke. Ilokhu ama hands anjani?
Ama hands. Bona
Abavotela
imimi yokuthi they can't vote there.
ama placer.
Out of power.
Yeah, ngeke karinxa siyovotela ukuthi thina ama placer
vota
abasiphume
phela
wa citizens.
ubhadaleli rent.
Ama-hands vele
Every
machenza
answer,
something fucked up. Lingambuzi how or why, but there was one time ngafaka khona ama-lashes. Ngadiscover ama-lashes, I think avala 30% of vision yakho. So bekwazi ama-hands lawa amanye ngabutha ama-lashes, ngabutha amangerwane. Umuntu ubona 20% of izimba. Ama-pothole kawaboni.
Ofaka ama
But one thing, and I'm
Not for a
popular.
while, not for a long time. It was
Oh,
just-
hamenja.
As
But yeah,
ngoplayers ngama
basically-
free killers, I think a role player or something.
What's this?
Onga role play dot osenza ukobele.
What the fuck?
Oh, Kbrizzy,
guy.
I was being a supportive gent. I was dating a girl who was doing makeup. And how did people practice the first one?
practice a first
Yeah, I've been a bad bitch before, gents.
So bad any role player when you customer.
Icontour yakhona.
Bese mfuna ukuzwisisa ukuthi kade wena ukwaze. Izitori lezi abe seziphelile.
No.
There's honestly there's so much.
Guys, stella
guys,
the story.
Ukuthi uyazazi ukuthi vele uyiproblem ohlukhangile.
Na vele mbonani. Ukucithi mic yami ngikhuluma into engiyikhuluma la. Ngicithi. Awusala lapho, uyibambe mfana.
Vale mfana.
Ayibale mfana.
But honestly, there's so much trauma. There's so much trauma that I don't even know where to begin. Zimbabweans in diaspora are so rough. Cost of living there is higher than people back home realize. Being illegal or waiting for documentation for you to work legally is hard and expensive. So not having credit is a whole situation in itself. Adjusting to weather is also hard. Then at times, you have to deal with things like racism that growing up in Zimbabwe, you actually didn't realize, see up front. But that was in brackets. But in Zimbabwe, there's also tribalism.
Yeah, ukuthi thini egazi ngibona experience racism entumbani.
But yeah, ikona inye lena.
Wahlala Jackie China, bro, in Lviv, if you guys remember that. Just
Wahlala
about
China?
it. Yeah, Lviv, wakule China.
But yabona I think
Yeah, wavula
restaurant
i-restaurant
show
futhi
le ilana lene lokuzenini ePoland lento engene ebhasini bonke bahambe behlala ngale.
Yeah.
Leyo yabona
To them, you're like an alien, bro.
Abanjanga ePretoria. Sasingena e-restaurant so benza so amafoni.
Ulamanga.
Ngambona umandingo.
Manlo solo.
Umsile mandingo.
It was just a bunch of big black rowdy niggas. Let's angena siba ngumsindo. Look at how suspicious as fuck.
Suspicious.
I saw sangena this morning evening, gentlemen. Sangena, what am I saying? I'm a QS10, I'm a fucking name. I want my camera is a TT. That's just Puma takes I want.
Kodwa lathi. Para ngeza kuzisola into ezinjalo.
But then it's sadly you fucked up here.
Yeah.
You wanna le echo ukuthi ungene ebhasini abantu becheat. Racism enjalo you fucked up, dog. Because it's like, you know, kind of I don't even know if it's racial. When you are just someone who doesn't like people sitting next to you. Might be racial. And I approach you
Fusikuyanga.
yabo i-racism ongayibamba hands on ukuthi umuntu ekubize the n-word. Lapha sesibambana ngegiro lapha because now I know what's going on.
Yeah.
But if I walk in and then you just go sit over there.
Ha para kunye wena bro. Angenza ukuthi wena ungene roomini onke umuntu aphunga usuka like just like that.
But you haven't
But I hear what you're saying.
case, yeah.
Awubenzi lutho but i-racism.
Yeah. But then it's difficult to address because you know it's subtle racism here fucked up.
Uyabalandela.
Namuhla lizahlala lami kuphela. Namuhla lizahlala.
Okay, so lapha.
Lizahlala lami kuphela.
So yeah, yebuhlungu ukuthi ayireporteke nasemaphoyiseni. Nana at least
Then it just hurts your feelings when you go home and because like too, what could we say, dog? They were sneakily recording us. That's how I'm a celebrity. If you go the fan, we just, you know. But if they had actually said, no, we can't have you fucking gaffers in here. Oh, okay.
Then
Know what I'm
you
saying?
roll up your sleeves.
Then we're
come
doing
on.
something.
Yeah.
So I guess the moral of the story is if you're going to be a racist, do it with your chest.
Okay, I remember my first week in UK. My parents were already expecting money. My siblings in UK. My siblings in UK.
My cleans.
As umuntu esimbalisa bala pong.
About Mufasa.
Good time, my siblings in UK were not as supportive. They expected me to pay rent ASAP. I was working.
Yeah, lesi ngesemali lesi. And the problem enye esingayiboniyo guys sorry le akabani. Ukuthi abantu abaningi basuswa lapha ukuthi abala mali. So ngathi ufika ngale la kuthi maybe imali awu isayitholi kahle kuya kudepressa konke kanti. Vele
I think you were so tricky like times 10.
But what he's saying is a valid point maybe for 60% of the people.
Yeah.
Because the expectation is you get there. But what if you get there still? And that's difficult to explain.
Now you start questioning ukuthi maybe kule higher power.
Can you do it there?
Yikubona baye begolela babejothi suke egwele xa sikuzocinta amangcwaba la cause wamala selimali dong. Then you come back here like hey maybe
It's hard.
Thing ngale.
No. All right. There's actually two, brother. The second one's actually quite wild.
Yeah.
Like it's wild. No,
yeah,
right,
let's hope this one is
all right. So let's redo the previous one.
I want to before bala like I want to others cancel ukuthi reacting indlela reacting ngayo. Thina lapha ekhaya siphila ngedark humor vele.
Yeah.
Like vele
there's no need
like
to
under
even
the
ask.
bed kind of
Vele
dark,
like-
bro.
Imbambo zethu vela kuseduzane vele.
Like, fucked up.
vele like kuseduzane. So
He fucked up lo anithabele emfeni lo. Angikhulumi ngento yanini lo anithabele wanombone sithi come on dog. Come on,
Sure, dog.
No, but I mean, if they're watching this is episode 80 something, right? Obviously, they get that really
Yeah.
So
But
anyway,
it's fine.
cool. Gutwa kona. I remember my first week in the UK. My parents were already expecting money. My siblings in the UK were not as supportive. They expected me to pay rent ASAP. I was working under the table, Muka fish shop. Okay. I was only 16 and no one was supportive. I was only 16 and no one was supportive. Ndiyitewo nursing sevamwe. Like nursing njengabai. I lost a lot of friends because people were expecting me to send them money and gifts.
Jesus.
Can I proceed to the next one?
Yeah.
Right. This one's really bad. Kutwa kona. I spent last Christmas in the basement because my host family wanted to spend Christmas alone as a family.
Fuck. No. Hey, don't laugh, please.
That is dark. Nah, that is dark, bro. That is dark. That is dark. Manin. Is that the whole story?
Ifamily like fucked up. Kare unchen babenga afford ukuthi maybe bathi hamba uyebona ebona njengala sithi
that's a
kobulawa
decent thing to do,
from
yeah.
ukuthi hamba maybe kumotel echipile inyama endlovu like uyebona
It's not wrong for them to want to spend time alone as a family.
He can
But
the way they
Indlela
did,
exactly.
they could have just paid for it to do like the young
I-basement
road trip, yabo.
i-basement enjani incena selicabanga izingwenje uthought i-man cave.
No, but honestly, that's very sad. Cabanga kunguwe. You're thinking ukuthi
Shebo
endlini.
senzani ke kuthiwa ungaphumi vele ungaqansi.
Christmas, I've got my own family, even singelo kuningi, but we can literally just gather together.
Enye into engiyitshoyo guys.
So abantu be-diaspora besi-FaceTime for 10 hours. Maybe ke kuthiwe relax ebase.
But mina ngithi cabanga
Blow me.
situation. Like cabanga situation elokuze nini i-country vela ukuthi ipede kunganani ukuthi
You have to
Like,
take all this, yeah.
ngekhismusi bro uyaspend umhla ka-25 ku-basement.
That's a fucked up story, bro.
Yeah.
But
Maybe
I'm
it was
sure-
a black family also. Maybe it was a black family also.
Yeah. But I'm sure bakhona abantu like I think i-majority of the people abasibukeleyo right now abasilaleleyo vele baphandle izitori zenu feel free ukuthi lishiye kuma-comments.
Abasizibezishiye lizabahleko.
Bazashiye ba-understand like ukuthi hayi abantu abasilaleleyo basi-understand ukuthi thina singabantu abanjani.
Plus, intole, it's not even a thing of trying to like expose people or something. Intole ukuthi sizame like to dilute our expectations, especially thina esingaba.
Yeah.
Even the muntu lama
asikho ezulwini, guys. Yeah.
And you know what's crazy? Ukuthi none of this is an appeal to get better treatment that side. All of it is towards us to say, hey, my chance landing, I expected too much.
Lungisani isiphendulo.
Cabanga ukuthi mina boyfriend yami yangichaya. Ngiyinkazana.
It's fine, bro.
It's fine.
Just say whatever you want to say.
Say what you want to say.
Boyfriend yami yangichaya. I'm not even appealing to him. Would he stop beating me? I just have to go tell my friends, that's what's happening, dog. That's how fucked up this shit is. Because I'm hoping some of these actually carry over to the people, you know, in those foreign societies who have to interact with these people, and they see this and like, hey man, we have to do better. Because as long as it's coming to us.
Well, they always have that entitlement. You're good, guys, if you feel like this kitchen is too hot for you,
fuck off.
Fuck off, yeah.
I'm very experiment, but it's fine. I'll say this another day.
Yeah.
To our diaspora friends.
Yeah, just stay strong, guys.
Stay strong, dog.
Stay
I guess
strong.
Tunnel vision is what it takes.
Yeah, kulezinye story abangani bethu abazishare from my experiences. I feel like kunye ku serious kakhulu, ku personal kakhulu, like ukuthi ngeza ke space ku share ku social media. So but life is tough, guys. Like it's tough everywhere.
Ngicela sibachele zethu ezinye fucked up ngoba
but lami kulabantu jeke besuke ngani.
Sibachele zethu ezi fucked up ukuthi bebona ukuthi hey man, don't think ukuthi this is particular to you.
Rose.
Shit is fucked up everywhere. Mina ngithe anyone wazalela Zimbabwe, you did something fucked up in your previous life, this is your punishment. Oh, look,
yeah.
But on the
diaspora, page, it's because ngabangani bethu.
Yeah.
It's not like we have money like that.
No, we don't.
Oh, actually, man, literally, who said diaspora? You can follow ama account abantu laba bangani ba, because you get the wrong impression. Dinga abantu laba nangana baqondakali, dinga Clement. Oh, what? What is Zimbabweans? Because Ralph, this is not the right people to follow.
No.
Tina will give you the wrong impression.
Yeah.
Exactly.
No, but on a serious note though, I feel like maybe if we can take a moment to shout out like the selflessness of a lot of people in the diaspora. I was just, as we're reading this thing, I was thinking of a story that a friend of mine was sharing a few weeks ago. Like, I won't get into the details of it, but she was saying that dog, like, like I can count my meals in a day. Sometimes, like, I can sleep on an apple, whatever, you know. And soon after that, you know, she asked, she was like, yo, it's my mom's birthday coming up. I'm gonna do something special for her. So do you know someone that does cakes, whatever, in Malawi? And I'll sort that out, you know. And even when she was complaining about her situation, she actually wasn't even complaining, bro. She had come to terms with that. Yeah, it was just speaking in a very factual mood, you know, very positive. Like, honey, you know, you just say child, you know, and she's got to hope that, you know, it's going to be okay, you know, very, very soon. You know, so I think that's the reality of a lot of people in the diaspora. Like the second or last story that we're reading was someone saying that, hey, ngilapha, but people are still expecting me to, like, you know, to pay the bills, you know, and I can't say that, you know, like most people like that are like that, they don't really understand the word no. It's sort of like, I'm going to make a plan, you know, so
because when I feel like later I want you to spafageli pressure. Faka pheli mali.
Really?
Faka pheli mali lawe.
Yeah.
Tumelo kuyi-50.
Any communication between abantu becomes more projection than actual communication. Ngoba mina even lama experience something where there's a friend of mine who's in the UK and these days so papa usangikhulumisa. I'm projecting isizungu sami. She actually told me, dog, do you know I'm working 2 jobs? I do 9 to 5. I get home at 5, I have to cook, maybe sleep for 3 hours, then I the night shift 10 to like 4 or 5 XN. Then I go home, try to squeeze in an hour or 2 of sleep, then I'm back to the what the fuck?
Yeah.
Not even a very UK by this day, 2 jobs. I don't even have one, boss.
Pleasing amakwala madam.
2 2, bro. 9 to 5.
9 to 5, 10 to 4.
And this friend of mine, I know, Guti, is taking care of her family. Nami nje feeling. Ngangcele ku Apple Music, ngangcele ku storage, ngangcele ku Netflix. Everywhere. So I was about to feel a pain when
shout out to diaspora. Like,
Yeah.
do it. Bangaka abantu abahlala eZimbabwe right now ababhadalela iNetflix yabo.
vele ngubani okwazi iNetflix ibhadalelwa ngaphi.
Isjewe diaspora, bro.
Isjewe
Diaspora
diaspora.
ilokhu ze Netflix oyisebenzayo, diaspora, Spotify, diaspora.
You can't even flex.
Diaspora.
You can't even flex
Diaspora.
Netflix because everyone knows that you're a tenant.
Nanle Amazon Prime.
Dude.
Boy,
Yeah.
Jay, mina like wonke dude.
I'm
And I don't
wonke.
even pay for those shit.
kanxelile tu.
Netflix, Prime,
Showmax,
Apple
dog.
TV Plus,
Yeah,
Ukhona,
yeah.
bro.
Ibhadalelwe
Showmax.
omnyama
Nyo,
ndoda,
nyo,
eh.
nyo.
Yeah.
Ngiyagancela kupopo. Webuzitheli. Nandani.
Nani imali yama?
Nandi one day, ndoda, one day. Hayi, streamer lapho fana, streamer fana.
Imali yabo fana, minangi imali yabo.
Kholisa imali
Yeah,
yami
but
fana.
yeah, before sihamba, maybe nxa sesikhanzile vela episode ephela like like labona
guys.
irumor lika Steve Harvey. What happened?
Anini rumor yini kumbe.
Ali rumor, bro.
A room and there's no official outlet that
Kana manje
confirms the shit.
bakusukele, yazi abantu bakusukela.
Jay, abantu bakusukela.
Abantu bakusukela.
Abantu bakusukela, bro.
Bethi lo happy kakhulu lo.
But yabona enye into ensele ngizibuza yona ukuthi akukho scary, akukho fucked up ukuthi how people are so obsessed and ready for your downfall.
Oh yes.
Not just ilokhu izenini umjolo, marriage, ziningi izinto like esizenzayo njengabantu ukuthi abantu ungavuka istory sokuthi kuthiwa Kbrizzy wenza
Akasela
so Kbrizzy sele mpabanga.
Babaselani. Say that shit again, boy.
Like abantu are so obsessed nge downfall yabanye abantu
That's
because
retarded, man.
you ama energies engotholeyo
Nawe.
ngelokhu zenini ngestory sika Steve Harvey.
Bongela muntu ofuna ukumdefender. Everyone was on the other side writing lama jokes angikhona lana.
Oh.
Just to give people context ukuthi sikhuluma ngani. So it is rumored that umfazi ka Steve Harvey's wife Thomba nibizo like Marjorie Elaine cheated on the Family Feud host with his chef and bodyguard.
So,
Kwaba yikwini?
to also double
Kwaba
context.
sequential kumbe
Eish.
simultaneous. I-cheating yangikhona. Love your-podcast lo chef.
Khona
Waqala
pha-
wapepisa leya wapepisa leya kumbe the events were not mutually exclusive.
Ama-chance athi kuthiwa emzini kaSteve Harvey usithi ungawuqhathwa nje. Vele bekubambisela ikhudumala iLebanon. Ungakakhoqi nokuhoqa. Uqhathwa mdala. Well, I think we said this. Kulenye episode esike saba la ike yaba controversial la. Okuke kwaba lo mnye umfana ofika ukukhuluma enye into la. Kwase kuthiwa but why would you say something like that about? And then I think we spent another episode reiterating ukuthi those things come with the territory. You must be aware ukuthi once you partake in certain things, you do away with certain liberties and you sign a certain contract. Once you choose to be famous, bro, those things.
Sometimes omunye umuntu
Khulume micini wena.
Yeah, but it's not even who choose. Now you're famous. If you monetize, eat off it, and then this becomes part of you. That is the contract you sign with your privacy is gone, and people will come at you sideways. And even if you choose to be successful, check it. If you don't want people to turn, if you don't want haters, just be mediocre your whole life, dog. Uzaba yisui, but umavutuma njengo talent. Uzaba lama haters.
Bro, wonke umuntu le story sika talent.
But I'm not digress. My point is, why would people make up shit like this? And it's true, Guti, no one seemed to even be on the side of Steve Harvey and say, but
Yeah.
to put into double context, Steve Harvey is popular for giving relationship advice.
Yeah.
He even wrote a book on how to act like a lady and think like a man.
Think like a man.
Time she was just reading the book, man. She was just implementing stuff that she, you know. Yeah.
Wathi, oh.
What would a nigga do?
It is a good chapter, baby. It is
Sulibalile.
6.
Sulibalile muntu wami ngiyalibala.
So I think
Yeah.
it turns out it's rumors.
yeah, ngama rumor.
Ukuthi umfazi ka Steve Harvey. the
But for
relationship
context, though, like it's funny because remember, I started this conversation was you guys saying that no one was on the side of who Steve Harvey, right? A few days ago, I posted a video on my status without context. I didn't please why won't even do that. It was a video of I don't know what award ceremony it was. Steve Harvey is
I think we family feud.
really
Yeah.
So basically, he's saying he's professing his love to his wife, and he's saying, "I'ma kill everybody in here about your ass."
Hey.
Different logos and different video.
It's a different video. Yeah, it was an award ceremony, see, because he was wearing a tux, you know. And this guy is like, he's really like, I can't remember Loche Umfazi like
Yamthanda.
And I posted that video in Jalo, no caption, nothing. Bro, the DMs are like, God, bro. Like, we can't believe it.
I think that's also why it looked like no one was on his side because it was so ironic.
Yeah,
Of all
exactly.
people,
Exactly.
this fucking guy.
I wouldn't really say that no one's on his side, bro. Everyone's just shocked.
Yeah, many video.
Yeah.
Many video ngibon leyo. I think one family feud lapha. Steve Harvey kubuzwe umbuzo ukuthi like i-question ayibuzise ngikhohle but awubuza ukuthi ungalala lo bani o ungahlabisa bani ngoku associated lento enjani.
Yeah.
Umfazi wakwathi the pool guy. Yabo ekhuluma like jokingly. Yabo
Someone
like
was saying
so I think okunye okwenza ama rumors anjalo abe like a pusher
Catch
fast
legs.
so ukuthi abantu maybe bajoke kawani ku TV bro and told be kuyijoke
Yeah. Because into lana sazama like
sazama ukudinga bro
akula source vele.
akula source like
indaba lezi ezichisaya lezi ukuthi ungezothiwa ukhanye seyalanelo Kim vele athola ku TMZ
sebefakile
Liwona umkenge kakhanye belikhuluma umkenge lakho kakhanye.
yazi ukhanye
Iyo
lapha
diskhuluma
usenzele
ngawo.
okunye ndoda
Eh,
umkenge bani
Mulumba
Umkenge
picture.
wese
But you couldn't
kamera
get
nge-5
one.
ekhaya umkenge kakhanye ndoda
Kulomkhengelana,
but
no,
bonke
no,
abantu
no,
bese
no,
bekuspina
no.
enjani okuyinto khona kya
John.
bese besithi
I-fashion.
his wife was giving him head
Yeah, I saw
but
that.
wayehlezi ngale
That's what it looks like, bro.
but if sokule video khathesi ubephuma like the bottom of it khanye ngani sasilinye iflow ngani phansi so umfazi wena wayephuma ukhanye wemncedisa ekhanya umkenge umfazi ephuma phansi umpanka so it wasn't even head umfazi wena wayephuma phansi so ukhanye
Go hideous look here.
but umpanka
suspiciously
like
hideous
umpanka yabunga like sivala nje umpanka yabunga uzwa like
Atholakala.
kumele uchawe ngumoya unless ngangujeza ukutshona phandle awungumpanka oshona uvalile
lesimo ujela ugqika i-G3
ngangumpanka oshona uvalile kumele ukuthi ungavela uvele uzumoya
like che
Fala
umpanka
kunye nama,
mawusuvela vela umoya nje
Awuhlali umoya. Sometimes it's not
fanana
Sometimes it's
lokunye
humid
nama
out
nje
there.
umuntu othanda kunye nama like uthanda ukutshona eveza amazinyo
Hlala ngovezile ngasikhuluma ngayo. Ngasikhuluma.
Nah, no way.
Umlomo uvale.
ayikuthi lapha siyakhuluma lo muntu noma ebukela i-TV yantelezi eveza
Tsembo
i-green.
ipoisi yabutsembo. Uyabona?
So
mina
Yeah.
kwami ukukhuluma namhla kuphelela ukhona ufuna ukukhuluma anything before
Man.
yo
ukhona ufuna
5
ukukhuluma
years guys so kusele ngaki days ukuthi kube 25 years
I think okunye is like stress too much
so kuyi 4 years and maybe 360 days huh?
yeah somewhere there
Hazo nesikhathi sihamba bangani bami.
Yeah,
Le
so
podcast
nesikhathi siyahamba.
yabe ungabaya abantu.
yeah Gary,
Talent.
like wonke umuntu nganule story sika talent
Yeah. But I've got something that
sizafaka
I.
like i-video
Tjena nabantu
ka-talent.
be-UK.
Yeah,
Tjena nabantu be-UK
yeah.
talent ngubani?
sizafaka i-video
Alright.
ka-talent ukuthi
Talent, bro. I've always believed that guy is normal.
He is
He's normal. Like nah, what this guy like I tend to harass abantu like well, I used to because nganhlala emakandeni. So I'd walk into town from 6th Avenue, and he always in that he was terrorizing that hood.
go
territory
territory yakhe
Are we territorial, right?
Yeah.
And after a while, I'm noticing a pattern in this guy. He gauges you. He sees your weakness. ngabona ngani umuntu ongani nervous kakhulu and ziyabe sekulokho zini
Yo, but remember, say lapha kanti kwe-GDC.
bro.
Kanti besenza nokuthi tshela nama
uqalela abantu abaningi bro.
mani tshela nama talent luhlanya osoluhlupile town luhlanya.
No, so what I wanted to say is I don't think that guy is no, yeah, inhlanya kasonhlanya.
I think umuntu wazenziwa hlanyayo isikhathi esisehlanya.
Well, now what I heard is that remember Luana uvuka ekseni from wherever he comes from, right? I got to umshova sibil angene town to terrorize people. I feel like sometimes because remember telling phela kulokuchumayela kuzinzikhathi kuma bus ranks and uma line passport office lapana and he gets money from doing that, you know. But because isikhathi engazonga sebhwakela and you know uchumayela you know what I mean? So that guy, and I mean, I don't wanna be cancelled for saying this, right? Maybe he needs therapy, maybe he needs medication, but kusho timpama chela bakupela.
No, that's what I told.
I feel
like baningi abantu asebekuzamile khona pare melu hambele kwizinini melu hambe esibhedlela.
But it's possible ukuthi umuntu lihlale la ehlanya ebephuma sibili ebuya ntambama ezokudla engakwazi utshona nga.
By now nje tabakwazi ukuthi utshone insizane ethanda abantu ahlala lapho.
Lemcontrola njani nje kuyebehlanya. Alimbo khoma nambona ivideo nephuma phakathi kwe-GD6 umama lo wanemgijimisa. Wabe qeda uhamba wamthela isikhubu samazi besenzani?
Angikwazi ukuthi besithelana ubethelana kodwa.
Ufike wathi windini ubenzani?
Ngokusukulamuleleni iTT ayisisifunela
idumbu kule ngoma. Esethi hayi Nobumalo ishort.
Wazayibhorisa leya. Ngokuzenza njalo umuntu unorongo.
Indoda kaMamalwane izamdubula.
Phela ngathi ngidrive pho bona umuntu engena emotweni. Inqosi zombamba inkuzi ngoba ingeke kwamvela tshintsha imali into. Ngemphethe ama-user.
Engangena emotweni zabantu is dangerous. Kumbe mina ngihamba le boys abangena emotweni phela.
Lani lokanini ilokuzeni.
Vele kule ongithiwa nguwili ewe kuma function kudala as into engichazana for every function like let's say garden of house anything yabuyithola ikhona ku VIP section
Thombani
nguwili
Winky
wili wangani wesifuthan umasana wakhe wayemnika imali uthengene town fane nafa wayelihlayo nchomlana but umasana wayemnika imali uthi hayi hamba mntanami hambe
ehlanyele town
hambe ehlale town wathi just VIP section yomthole phambili vele efubamba imic
What told you award?
Angazi, but even a stage right figure stage nje. So chase ticket. Ever chase sibili ticket T but why lihlanya sibili. Every event ayikhona, sound check ayikhona. So I think if you know talent both same thing lokawuthi maybe ohlala endle bathi ambe town mntanami
bangene boy.
Wabona lokuthi bangene boy. Umuntu ebongigezisa ngihamba. Lebe ngwazi uyahlupha la nisele izami lingamgcina endlini emgcine esenzana lifunga emsebenzini.
Egcine hlafunise paletha phume vele.
Hey. Kwenye isikhathi uyatshona ebridging, kwenye isikhathi uyaphuma esithi uye-church. Kanye niyakhisa ama-hope ethu. Fosethi
ndaweni yekhisi.
Ay guys,
anokwenye imkhothise.
Yawena singasurvivor.
Thank you, my show.
This one.
Yeah, we forgot to tell you guys on today's episode
of
the Dark Humor Show.
The Dark Humor Show, eh?
Yeah,
the Dark Humor
Show. Thank you guys for tuning
in.
But
no, it's been great. Yabona ngama episode anje so asenza serialize ukuthi bakhona abantu abasithandayo. Khona umuntu olokhu ilaleli iqala yaziyaphela. And khona apha esibona ngani thina khona simoshe khona. Like uzabona ukuthi i-reaction yabantu yabinjani yabo but hayi libe sharp guys, no violence, bathi elokuzenini eGaboni amasotsha njani
overthrow
amasotsha athimulile so yini ukuthi line iflu leyithola yini kwamanye amazwe balithole
latho wetha khabi gogogo.
So I live a grand.
Hey.
Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just
And it poo 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 poo.
And they tipping me off. I know you from the inside out. We do some real talking at my mama's house. We finna get something for $1. We might just head home in a Honda. But are you ready? I am ready. Don't keep me waiting. I'm okay. I'm just minutes away.